Okay, so we're going to make a simple website for La Francis. Okay, there are some tutorials you can watch. The key thing is to get organized. Everything has to go in the same folder. And what this means is that you create a folder called La Francis, and everything you create needs to be within this main, what we call a root folder. Okay, so on the network, we're going to use something called Notepad. Now, Notepad can be found maybe in the start menu here, or if not, just type in Note, N-O-T, and it's there. Okay, so you can open a Notepad file. There you go. Okay, so we're going to create a Notepad file called index.html. Okay, we're going to create one called about, contact.html, and menu. We're also going to set up two folders, images and CSS. Okay, so here goes. So if you're using a school computers, you need to go to computer, documents. There's one I did earlier. So let's go. You go right click to create a new folder. Okay, and as I said, you need to call it La Francis. All right, so La Francis. I'm going to call mine 2 because I've already got one. Okay, so there's a folder, and everything you create needs to go into this folder. Okay, I'll show you how to get Notepad again. You go here, it might appear here, if not, just type in Note. Okay, and there's Notepad. Okay, so you save this as your first one will be okay, so it's in computer, documents, you find the file, and here you go, index.html. Okay, normally it'd save as a .text file, a text file, but you want it to save as a web page. Okay, you can see it's there. Keep it open because we're going to use this in a minute. Okay, so if you right click, you can copy this and you can quickly paste. Okay, paste, paste. Okay, and you've got 4 of them now. So we're going to rename this menu. This one we're going to rename about, and this one we're going to rename contact. Okay, contacts. Okay, we're also going to add 2 folders. So you go right click, new folder, and this is going to be CSS. Right click, new folder, and this is going to be images. Okay, we're going to store all the pictures that we find for Francis in this folder. Okay, so open your index.html. Notepad, it's here. Okay, if you've closed it by accident, okay, it's a bit of a pain. You can either right click, open with, and you see I've got Notepad. If you haven't used Notepad before, you'll have to go back to Notepad. So search Notepad. I told you it was a pain. Okay, and just go File, Open. Okay, and it's looking for text files, but yours is a HTML file. But if you search all files, then it will show you it, and you can open the index. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is add some simple HTML. You've created this. You can find a picture in a minute. Okay, index page. Now this code here will let you create a simple web page. Okay, I've already done it. I might just copy and paste mine in because I've already typed it in. Okay, so you can see that you've got document type HTML, HTML head, title. Okay, why don't I just show you? So if I open this, it will open as a web page. Okay. I'm a Wally. I didn't save it. I have to save it. Save. Okay, and if I refresh this, you can see that here I've got the Francis Villas as the title. I've got a heading. Okay. Francis Villas Sautalon, and I've got a description. If I change this, I just want this to be called, in the tab, I just want the title to be Francis. If I save this, okay, and I refresh this, you can see it changes automatically. Maybe I want the heading, I just want dealer, okay, so I save, okay, and if I refresh this, you can see that it's gone. This is your source code. This file here is your source code that the browser reads to create and to make your web page. Okay, so if you change this source code, it will change your web page.